Hey guys, welcome back. If you need a handyman, we're still on this demolition project. If you saw another video, we did a demo video on how to remove a bathtub. Now we're gonna demo the shower pan. So you've already taken off all your drywall. The last thing is gonna be the shower pan. So let's check this out real quick. So here's our shower pan. Just a few things to keep in mind when removing this. You have these nails or sometimes screws that are on the studs holding in the fiberglass, okay? So if you want, you could just back those out, with your hammer, or if there's screws, use a screw gun. But that's the only thing holding it together, okay? Now you also have your drain. So we're gonna pop that drain cover off. And there's a little rubber gasket in here. So this pan's just sitting right on that PVC pipe, okay? So don't be afraid of it. These pull out pretty fast. So we'll take that one out, take that one out. There you go. So also when you do your demolition work, just make sure that you have like a piece of cardboard over this. You don't want any extra debris from the drywall demo to go inside your drain. If it does, just take a vacuum and vacuum it out because you have a P-trap under there. So something to keep in mind when you do that. Okay, so all we're gonna do is pull it out now. Just using a hammer now, wiggle it around. Okay, so now we're going to hit some counter pressure on that pipe. All right, and that's it. Pretty simple job. And then your new shower pan should have a corrugated rubber gasket in there, and that will seat right on this pipe again. So it'll go boom right on top of it. What I like to do is I'll put a mortar bed underneath this so it doesn't move or crack on you when you're in the shower. So if it was me, I'd put a mortar bin right here if you're gonna reinstall a new one. Now, this is gonna be a custom shower pan, so we won't need to do that. We're gonna do a 2-inch float with some mortar and then lay tile on it. So stay tuned for that in another video, but that's your demolition on your shower pan. Really quick deal, so don't be afraid of it. So again, if you guys like this video, please subscribe and help support me. Again, really simple on the demolition. You just got to know what you're doing. That way you can get it ready for your contractor, and it helps you guys save cost, and it helps the contractor just come in and start working on the finished product. So it kind of works for everybody. So with that said, stay confident, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.